teams. Confirm final cable attachments are secure. Winch engaging.
La operación de rescate de la ARM Reformador está en manos de Estados Unidos.
Atención, mantener la tensión en los cables de estribor. Izar despacio. Estamos en posición sobre la plataforma, bajando la carga.
Afirmativo. Mantengan la estabilidad del reformador.
Adjust pressure on sector 4, we're seeing high resistance.
Confirmed. Increasing pressure now.
Lowering sequence initiated. Maintain alignment on the stern.
Confirmed. Starboard side clear. Setting cradles now.
La corrosión en esta sección es severa.
Entendido. Hay que priorizar el escaneo aquí.
Hold it there, watch the clearance. We have a clear path, continue traverse. Confirmed, keep it steady.
Despacio, despacio. Manténganlo firme.
Confirmado. Equipo, despejen la cubierta ahora.
Despacio, despacio. Cuidado con el lado de estribor.
Enterado, moviendo a la derecha.
La restauración del reformador exige un esfuerzo meticuloso del personal naval. Atención, levanten la carga lentamente.
Recibido. Mantengan la estabilidad.
Atención, equipo. Enganchen los paneles oxidados. Grúa, levanta con cuidado.
Entendido. Subiendo.
Despacio.
Radio check, channel 3. We are clear for extraction on the east side.
Copy that. Moving the dolly now. Watch the cables on your left.
Hoist it up. Steady now. Ropes clear on this side. Clear below.
Keep it steady on the east track.
Confirmed. Trajectory looks good. We have clearance.
Okay, tension on the main slings. Clear the deck, everyone clear the deck.
Confirmed. All clear down here.
Atención, equipo. Avancen. Sector 3, más presión. Sigan el ritmo. Rápido.
We need the next segment up here. The schematics confirm the placement. This one is secure.
Lowering now, slow and steady. Watch the starboard side alignment.
Looks good. Lock it in place.
We should run the primary conduit along
Yeah,
this main
this
rib, but that interferes with the rib.
Rather, it's going to look to sector section 4.
Okay, slowly now. Watch the edge right there.
Copy that. Coming forward gently.
Perfect. Set it down easy. Bring it down slowly, watching the clearance.
Confirmed alignment.
Power coupling secured. Ready for final integration sequence. Secure the starboard rail first, then move to the navigation array.
Roger that. Checking torque now.
Look at the finish on this canopy junction. Flawless work.
Agreed. I'll finalize the report now.
Calibrate the output levels now.
Running the sequence.
Levels are stable, system online.
Ensure these harnesses are properly seated before we power up the main display.
Copy that. Moving on to the transducer alignment.
The voltage stabilization is still fluctuating in sector gamma.
I see it. Rerouting auxiliary power now.
Check the thermal couplings on the main conduit.
Character B, confirm the fiber optic connection to the main relay.
Connected, engineer. Signal strength is optimal.
Everything looks perfectly installed. B, check the calibration on this unit.
The readings are stable. A. This section is ready for sign-off. 'Sign-off.
The ARM Reformador, fully restored with advanced 2015 systems, stands ready for synchronized deployment across all sections. We are on schedule for the unveiling.
Stabilization on core temps.
Acknowledged. Diagnostics running.
Power curve looks nominal.